2013 Explorer Sport. It's my wife's. We're doing a serpentine belt on it. On the 3.5 liters that are naturally aspirated, you don't have any of this crap getting in the way, which is a little confusing because I'm pretty sure this is a coolant line, but obviously it's set up a lot differently, and you can go in straight through here to get to everything. With this one, it is definitely different. So we're gonna go in through the firewall here, or not the firewall, the fender well, and get to it from there. I just popped off these little guys. 2 of them broke, so go grab some from your auto parts store. They have them. They're pretty simple. They look like that. They're just little shitty Phillips hex heads with plastic that screw into itself. Here's what we've got. That's your tensioner. That should be your AC compressor, and there's obviously your crank. It's probably best to remove the air dam from underneath the car. The thing that you have to take out every time you do your oil and shit, because then you can get directly to the AC compressor and the crank pulley. I don't know why the fuck I didn't do it to begin with. Wasn't using my head, I guess. But from there, you can see, or maybe you can't, the pulley above it, alternator. The alternator pulley is above it, so yeah, do that. All right, there you go. She's done. Looks just like the other one, except it shouldn't make any damn noise. What I did was, I actually got up underneath here. I put my left hand up here, all the way, if you can see it, all the way to the top above the AC compressor. That's where your alternator is. And as you feed the belt up through here, you'll be able to hand it to yourself on the top side of it. I don't know, you can't see, doesn't matter. On the top side of it, oh, there you go. On the top side up there, and run it around all of your accessories. Leave your crank pulley as the very last belt, or last pulley that it goes on, and you should be good, because then you can hold it tight while you put your tensioner on here, or your ratchet on there. You can pull it that way, and you can feed it around here. It's actually not too bad. So hopefully this video helps some other sport owners. If not, if there's a better way to do it, post up, let me know, tell me I'm an idiot, whatever, I don't care. But if there's a better way to do it, please share it. Thanks, guys. Bye.